Catherine, can you please introduce the multimedia to them and to us?
Okay. Here's a clear and simple introductory explanation of multimedia. Multimedia refers to the use of different forms of media such as text, image, audio, video, graphics, and animations, combined together to present information in an engaging and interactive way. It enhances communication, learning, and entertainment by making content more dynamic and easier to understand. Examples include presentations, websites, video games, films, and e-learning modules.
What about ICT? ICT is information and communication technology. On the other hand, it is the integration of technology in handling information and facilitating communication. It covers computers, networks, the internet, and digital tools that help in storing, processing, sharing, and accessing data. ICT plays a vital role in education, business, health, governance, and daily life. At this bridge gaps in communication and makes information more accessible.
When we combine multimedia and ICT revolutionize how people learn, work, and connect. Multimedia makes ICT applications more interactive and user-friendly, while ICT provides the infrastructure to distribute and access multimedia content globally.
Multimedia benefits. Number 1. Engaging storytelling. Multimedia combines text, images, audio, and video to create immersive and engaging stories. Number 2. Effective communication. Multimedia enhances communication by conveying complex information in an intuitive and interactive way. Number 3. Enhanced learning. Multimedia-based educational resources improve learning outcomes, increase student engagement, and cater to diverse learning styles. Number 4. Entertainment and creative expression. Multimedia enables the creation of interactive games, animations, and other forms of digital entertainment. Number 5. Marketing and advertising. Multimedia content such as videos and animations captures audience attention and conveys marketing messages effectively.
Here are the ICT benefits of 21st century. The first one is global connectivity. ICT enables people to connect with others worldwide, fostering global communication and collaboration. Number 2 is access to information. The internet and digital resources provide unparalleled access to information, knowledge, and educational resources. Number 3 is increased efficiency. ICT automates tasks, streamlines process, and enhances productivity in various industries. Number 4 is remote work. ICT enables work providing flexibility and work-life balance. Number 5 is e-commerce and digital economy. ICT facilitates online transactions, e-commerce, and digital entrepreneurship.
Combined benefits of ICT and multimedia. Number 1, improve accessibility. ICT and multimedia enable access to information and services for people with disabilities. Number 2, personalized experiences. ICT and multimedia allow for tailored experiences catering to individual preferences and needs. Number 3, increased reach. ICT and multimedia enable global reach and audience engagement.